Hello, people. So, like I said, I'm very keen about speaking about these, these little known pages. Like on Instagram, it's a ocean, right? So there is this page called Shreya Rekindle. That is Shreya, that is run by Shreya, who was a faculty at JNTU, JNTU Hyderabad, and really, yeah, like see, I consider myself very like talented and well read and all of that, but this is one of the first times I've met someone who is, she's an author, she's a painter, she, she could well be a fashionista because she's very striking. When you see her, you're like, wow, she's got like these big eyes. No, as of 2 days ago, she did a post on this actress who was in A Suitable Boy. The Her name escapes my mind, but so saying that she's got, that actress has such big eyes, the main protagonist on whom that A Suitable Boy is based. So but when you see Shreya, you realize, my god, she is so gorgeous. And not just gorgeous, yeah, her writing is, she's written quite a few ebooks. One of it is called shady.com. Instead of shadi.com, it's shady.com. Basically, if you type Shreya Singh, Srya, Shreya Singh on Amazon, you'll find her books. And it is so, like, her writing really draws you in. I think that is a hallmark of a good writer. So seriously, Shreya, just I think I'm plain lucky to have met her, because she's she's a very rare human being. So people, if you all haven't checked out her work yet, you all just need to type Shreya Singh on Amazon, or alternately on Instagram, Shreya Rekindle, where she's writing these very interesting pieces on, it's a whole range of spectrum of topics. And she's a certified relationship counselor. I find that very amazing, and in today's times, you need a person like that. As much as you would need a family doctor, I think you need someone who's a relationship counselor. So do try and check out her Instagram page also. It's called Shreya Rekindle, and of course Shreya Singh on Amazon. Her books are really like worth. They are like page turners, literally. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.